Hello everybody, I'm going to attempt to make a video on AC unit cleaning. It's my first time doing it, as Wrangler Store says, professional homeowner, so I'm going to be learning, and hopefully you'll be learning along with me. The reason why I'm doing this video is I like to do things myself, and our AC turned off about a couple weeks ago and I was trying to diagnose why. Unfortunately, I did not take the codes as was recommended, but I did reset the unit using the breaker and it started working again. I called the company and they said before they will start with any kind of refrigerant, they want to come out and clean it. They charge 250 plus tax for cleaning. I figured that I could probably clean it myself and then buy enough supplies to do it yearly for that amount of money. So I looked into it, I got some cleaning supplies, and for $30 something for the gallon, I got the cleaning supplies, and then I got another pump a bucket for another $30 something. So, and then I got a cover for this inside unit. For that was around $40 something. So we'll attempt to clean it ourselves today. Here goes nothing. Using my phone camera here, so hopefully we can see something. But here is the cleaning solution I got. Master Care Pro Green, which was supposed to take around 2-3 weeks to get delivered, and then I decided to get the coil right since it is pretty hot outside, and use that. They ended up coming both at the same time, even though this said a couple days and it was Amazon Prime. This was not Amazon Prime, it said a couple weeks, which is kind of interesting. So we're gonna try to dilute it in here. It says for a strong first cleaning, use around a 3-to-1, 4-to-1. One of these to 4 parts water. So we're gonna try to do that now. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to dilute it. I'll go with the Master Care Diversitech, and I'll do 3-to-1. Hopefully that should be enough. Not sure if this is gonna be too much, too little. There's one, and then we'll use water here. One, two, three. 3-to-1, 4-to-1. The other one said 4-to-1. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now let's pressurize this. Okay, so that's my unit, Daikin inverter. If anybody can see this, but right here it's starting to crack. I don't know if that might need to be replaced with time. So let's get to cleaning and spraying everything inside. And then they said need about to let it sit for about 5 minutes. The other one said 10 minutes. So I did some pressure washing. I didn't record that because it's taking some time, and I ended up taking some of the walls off the unit because the dirt and the stuff was getting stuck. But as you can see, I've already rinsed it a few times, and every time I use the pressure washer to blow from that side, because obviously I don't have access from this side, it cleans all this out. So I think I'm gonna have to spray it one more time with the Pro Green, let it sit a little longer, because It's pretty dirty. I don't know, you can't see it really. It's not really clear through there, so when I look through there, there's a bunch of debris still inside. So it looks like this unit has never been cleaned since it was installed, so I'm gonna spend a few more times spraying it down and pressure washing it until I can see through it, and I think this should help fix the problem. So my second pass, I washed it the first time, and this is the second time blowing water through. Everything is covered in this dust. I collected a small sample cup of it, but the unit is still, if you can see, there's still stuff coming out. Still the whole side. So after a little bit, I was able to clean a ton of this stuff out, dust and whatnot. And this is just only the big chunks. There were a million little chunks. It took me a couple of washes with a low pressure power washer. You definitely need a power washer. So the outside unit, I think 3 or 4 times I rinsed it through, or even more, just kept rinsing. I don't think that thing has been cleaned in a long time. So that should definitely do the job for now. I tried to clean the inside unit with this service bag, and my unit is 39 inches, and this says it goes the small one up to 39 inches, but it would not fit as much as I tried to stretch it, so I'm returning it, and I'm going to get the large one. Hopefully that should do the trick. So that should be secondary. I'm guessing the main one was the outside unit. That should come in on Tuesday. I'll get that cleaned up also. And now let's see how if this works. And hopefully this starts working and starts cooling. And we notice a difference. Let's go check out the outside. Seems to be working. Everything is good, nice and clean. And the outside unit. Seems to be blowing. I guess only time will tell. When I do the indoor part, we'll see if the temperature inside the house falls. Well, till next time. So before we go, it was 29 degrees up here, and I checked downstairs, it's 28. It's been slowly falling. Usually up here it can get down to 24 in this corner. Downstairs it gets about 27, 28. It stays about there, maybe down to 26. So we will see how low this falls and if anything changed. Today should be a very warm day, around 30, 31 degrees outside. We'll see if it is able to cool it.